my channel. It's your girl, Miss Cinnamon Spice. I miss my Spice Girls and my Spice Guys so much. Oh my God. So today I am going to be doing another wig since I got my wig cap on and my set it off braids under here. You know, it's about to go down, y'all. Y'all know I got another review for y'all here. But first, before I get into this review, I need everybody who's watching this video, all of my old Spice Girls and Spice Guys and all my new Spice Girls and Spice Guys, to go and subscribe to my channel. I am almost at 1K, coming in the new year strong here, almost at 1K. Anyways, yes, go subscribe, hit that little bell notification down there so that you guys get all of the notifications when I post a new video. And yeah, just subscribe to my channel. So let's get into this video. So today's wig is from Magic Lace Wigs. This is something I'm really excited about trying. Like I said, you guys, the color is like different and it's a little nerve-wracking, but I think I should be able to pull it off. So I got the invoice that came with it. I literally ordered it off the website. I ordered this a long time ago. Like, I ordered this May 10th. That's crazy. And I never wore it because the type of job I have, you can't wear colored hair, and so I just haven't had time to find a, like, I haven't been doing anything much that like I will be wearing this color. But whatever, we're gonna wear it today. The product name is called Newborn Free Lace Front Curved Part Wig. And it is a synthetic wig. Shipping did not take long at all. I ordered it May 10th, and it doesn't say when shipping got here, when it got here, but I would say like it took probably like about 3 to 6 days to get here. This is not an Amazon wig. I ordered it directly from the website. As you can see, in the invoice, it costed $28.95, and it was a $9.24 tax, and the total came out to be $38.19. So that's how much this wig costs. Here is the wig. This is how the wig comes. Of course, it comes in a package. I don't know where the package is at, but of course it comes in a package. It has like a bunch of wigs on the back here, different styles and things that they have. This is the color DYX4-Lime. You guys can see it better like right here. And this is a lace wig. Now when I tell y'all, I told y'all this color, honey, we're gonna see if we can pull her off, okay? So we're gonna take it out the box here. It comes with instructions. It is flat iron safe up to 200, easy from 200 degrees, safe up to 360 degrees. So we probably will have to flat iron her, but this is her. Isn't she pretty? It's like a highlight. So it's 2019, so we try new colors, sis. I am. It's color is all about colors now. And like I said, I had this since May, just sitting. Oh my God, that's almost a year now. So I had this for since May, just kind of sitting in the closet. I just never put it on. So this is how the wig looks. It is synthetic. It's almost kind of like a bob style, but a little bit longer. It doesn't really have a part here. It has a middle part, kind of, sort of. And this is how the lace looks and how the wig cap is constructed underneath. So we have 2 combs here, and then we have 1 comb back here, and of course we have our adjustable straps. And I love wigs with the adjustable straps, like, so we'll try her on right now. As you guys can see, I haven't cut the lace. It does not come with any baby hairs. The hair is soft. It goes right through. It kind of feels like doll hair, but it's not giving me that super synthetic look. So I am getting a couple of strands here. It kind of sheds a little bit, but nothing like too major. The top of the hair, if you can see, it's like this gray color. I kind of wish it was black. I think it'd be cuter if it was black. And I'm not sure if you can dye this hair. I'm pretty sure you can use like a rinse or something and just kind of go over it and make it black. But I'm just showing you guys how it looks straight out the box. So I'm going to be trying on the wig without tweaking it. I don't have baby hairs to it. I haven't cut the lace or anything. And we're going to see how it looks. Right now, I'm just tightening my straps. I love wigs that come with adjustable straps because it just makes it feel so secure, you know what I'm saying? I'm definitely probably gonna have to comb it. So I'm looking in a mirror right now, guys. If you guys see me kind of drifting off, kind of looking away. So this is how she looks when you first put her on. You definitely, and I'm not getting like a bunch of hair inside of the wig brush, but you definitely will probably have to flat iron her just because you kind of see the hair is just kind of flipping up and going its like own little way. I'm surprised like how the color looks on me. I think the color is popping on me. Like this is so cute. I love it. It's actually like really cute. You can kind of wear it like a bob and bring all of it forward, or you can kind of wear it to the back here like that. You guys know the parting is actually like not bad at all. Like, but you guys know I'm not, I'm a middle part girl sometimes, but for the most part, I like to do my side part. So let's see how it looks if I turn it to the side. The lace is not bad either. Like the lace is, you know, go over it with a little foundation, but it's not like, it's actually almost my exact skin color. So if we turned it a little bit, let's see what we got here. And you know, we kind of like, I guess if we flat iron that. Okay, so this is how it looks if I shift the wig to the side. So it's giving me this kind of like longer over here and shorter over here. Obviously, since it's not a side part wig, then it's gonna be different lengths on the sides. But all in all, I think this is a really pretty wig. Yeah, I think the wig is really cute. Actually, even the gray, like the gray is actually kind of cute. Like it's not like a bad color. What I'm gonna do is kind of go tweak this wig a little bit. I'm gonna go try to cut my baby hairs and kind of cut my lace, and I will be back to show you guys how the final look looks. So I'm excited to see how everything turns out. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and this is the finished look. So Spice Girls and Spice Guys, what do you think about this? Like tell me in the comments what you think. Is this popping or is this not happening at all? To me, like I really love the color. The color is like super dope. Like oh my god, this color is popping, and I can only imagine what it's gonna do when I get out in the sun. Like baby, this highlight, woo, baby, it's about to pop. But I really like it. Like I can't complain. Like this wig is like super soft. The texture is super soft. It's not giving me that super shiny look like a synthetic wig normally has. It is kind of silky and kind of like doll hairish, but it's like really soft and really pretty. I did flat iron her. I don't know what degrees my flat irons get up to, but I know they get pretty hot. The hair did not smoke. The hair did not smell. It did not burn. I mean, it just flat ironed like perfect. Like oh my god. As you can see, I did kind of like cut a little hair to give it a little bit of layer, just to have like a little swoop kind of bangish type of thing going. I did do my baby hairs as well. I kind of just plucked a little bit of the lace so that it can look a little bit natural, and I pulled out a couple strands of hair and used like a razor and shaved it down and go ahead and put some Got2b glue gel on it, and voila. So I did not lay my lace down. It's just sitting on my head with no glue on it whatsoever. I did cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible so that it can look a little bit more natural. So the only thing I didn't like about it was that it didn't have like the black roots up here. It's like that gray color. I think black would have looked it like 10 times better, but I also think this gray is like a little cute too. I just would have preferred black. Other than that, I think this wig is like super dope. I ordered this wig from ebonyline.com. I'll be leaving that link down in my description box. Other than that, I don't know. Like I just think this wig is like totally popping. Like it's dope. Like I'm dark skinned. It looks pretty on me. You know, I feel like my skin complexion, we can't rock every color. I can't rock every color. So I was a little nervous about this color, but I did not know your girl was gonna look this fine in it. So yes, I look good in this wig and I love it. What do y'all need you guys to do? I need you guys to subscribe. Hello, subscribe to my channel, y'all. Come on. Like, I mean, I feel like if you're gonna watch a whole video, make a bunch of comments, then you might as well hit that subscribe button so we can, you know, I feel like we'll be closer. I feel like you'll be in like the Spice Girl and the Spice Guy community. Like, we need more of you guys. So subscribe, share, and like this video a lot. That's the way I'm gonna grow my channel. I plan on coming with more content in 2019 because I know I take like 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks, sometimes months. But I plan on coming on here at least once a week. Or I'm trying to do more, but I'm busy with life. So I don't know if I'll be able to do that, but that is my goal. I just want to be able to provide more content with you guys, because you guys have been rocking with me since my channel started. My channel started like 4 years ago, believe it or not. Like, it's been 4 years. So I really want to reach that 1K. So let's try to get the 1K reached by the end of January if possible. I think I only need like 50 something more subscribers. I haven't looked, but let's try to reach that 1K so I can do like a 1K giveaway. Like, yes, I think the 1K giveaway is going to be lit. The ideas that I have in my head of the items that I want to give away, it's going to be nice. Like, y'all gonna like the items. Obviously, it's gonna gravitate around my channel, epitome, fashion, beauty things, or wigs. So you might need a new wig. I might give you a new outfit that you can get off my website, www.yourfashionGenie.com. I might even send out an outfit for you guys. So you just never know. You won't know unless we reach the 1K, okay? So let's do that. Other than that, bye Spice Girls, Spice Guys. I'll see you in the next video.